good, my good looking people. We are currently in Mallorca. We are on our way to this place called Calapi. This place just stood out from the rest. Stay tuned. This is gonna be epic. We've just got to Calapi and we're trying to find this spot that we've seen in all the pictures on Instagram. It looks absolutely amazing. So we're just on the way to Barcelona to pick up some shopping ingredients because we do have a little surprise in store for you guys, so stay tuned. But before that, we've got a friend's birthday to attend. Love is in the room right now, thank you. Drinks on, mate! Say goodbye! Thank you, thank you! So I've just started up the barbecue. We're gonna get some steak on here. I'm gonna chop up a nice little salad with some pine nuts, simple as, but we're just doing it outdoors at this beautiful location. So checking up on our steak. I'm just gonna give it a cut. All right, let's get this off. Look at that, lovely. Oh my god. Good to go. Hey, what's up guys? So we're back at the place where we started off at. Since then, as you've probably seen from the video, been some really amazing places, some really cool spots, such as Calapi, where it's like a beautiful blue lagoon, and I sat at the top of the edge of Tomorrow, which was a really cool experience. And also we went to a place called Calecomteses or Ietas to go visit some friends. We went rock jumping into the sea and had a really nice time there. Also got to see the sunset and the sunrise. That was a personal experience for me. And yeah, most of all, I got to celebrate a best friend's birthday, so shout out Mike for that one. Happy birthday, mate. And got to meet some new people, which was really important because we wanted to see what it was like. So that was really cool. So if you did see any of the content that you liked and you want to reach out to us, feel free. Stuff is below, so take care of yourself, guys. Ciao.